we're really going to step into it here. But anyway, the question is, are there issues with fluoride in the water, health effects that are adverse, and things of that nature, I think is what you're getting at. We do know that fluoride is in our foods. It gets there through fluoridated tap water for watering our garden. It also gets there because most water sources already have natural fluoride in there. It's just at lower levels. Sometimes with community fluoridation, we actually lower the levels of fluoride that are there and make it more beneficial. There are thousands of studies out there showing the promising effects of fluoride, and there are a few out there that are questionable. The benefits obviously outweigh the problems, or we wouldn't be kind of pushing that. But people do have some questions, and if there are sites on the internet you can go to, and if you start reading enough of those, it can really scare you on fluoride, and a lot of those are legitimate concerns. But if you go like to the CDC, the CDC called water fluoridation one of the 10 greatest healthcare innovations in the United States, and in addition to vaccinations and stuff of that nature.
In the early 70s, I worked as a staffer in the U.S. Senate Health Subcommittee, and the first Children's Dental Health Act that was attempted to be passed was defeated because there was a provision in there to provide some funding to fluoridate water supplies. This is an issue that's been around for a long, long time, and the people who come and make those presentations, I guess they mean well, but they are usually talking about it being some kind of conspiracy, some kind of way that someone could poison the entire community. But chlorine in the not the proper amount could kill people too. But when we had the hearing back in the Senate at that time, a gentleman came and he had all these bottles of teeth, and the teeth had been extracted, but they had some modeling, some darker colors on the teeth. And he wanted to show that that was a reason why that we should not pass any bill that supported fluoridation. But I want to say that Bauxite, Arkansas was one of the very first places where there was a study done that showed that fluoride naturally in the water improved the citizens' health, tooth strength, the strength in their tooth. You know probably much more than I do about this subject recently, because that's history for me. But for you, it's every day.